Oh yeah, it should be raining real soon. Oh look, a free stove. Yeah, so today I'm just gonna test out the GoPro case. So if I get stuck in the rain, the GoPro is gonna get wet. But I have a case for it, but there's no slot to put the microphone adapter jack. So I just took a drill to it and cut out a little hole. It's not 100%. There's a gap on the bottom, but it should help get most of the rain out. And I still have the battery cover. On it, so it should protect the inside of the GoPro if I get caught in a little rain shower, which I'm hopefully gonna test out today. Already getting a little bit of drops, and it looks like I'm riding straight into the shit cloud, boys. So yeah, let's give this a test. Yeah, already getting a little bit of drops, drippity drops. I like riding with the visor open, but when it's raining, face just gets pelted with rain and it stings a little, yeah. Be a man, ride with the visor open in the rain. Let the rain hit your face. What's up, bro? Whoa, yeah, I gotta take it easy in the rain. Take it easy. Can't be slipping and sliding around. Gotta respect the rain. You know what I'm saying? Do 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 do. Yeah yeah. Driving in the car with the mask on, it makes sense when there's other people in the car, but why just one person with the mask in the car but the other people don't have masks? I don't know what's going on. Just drive with the windows open. You can't get Rona. Also, you can't get Rona on the motorcycle. Oh, that's 100% confirmed. Oh yeah, shitstorm, baby. Let's fucking go. That was sloppy. I was gonna cut the corner. I saw that truck coming. Got that nice smell, post-rain smell in the woods. Yeah, smells good. Is this 121 South? Why is there no sign here? I think that's far enough. Let's check out the GoPro.